What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Speed Racer here, back with another video on this, I'm guessing 1983 Suzuki LT 125. I'm not sure, but just want to update you on what I've done to it. Can't see it now, but I did put a new fuel pump in. It's right there. I changed out the coil, and it's not getting sparks. I don't know if it's a brown coil or what. I tried to turn on with the key, but nothing's happened. So don't know what's wrong with it. You can give it gas. Up there's the throttle, and it'll sputter and cut off, and so I don't know if it's a bad carburetor or I don't know. And it's got this vacuum. The engine runs a vacuum and pulls fuel into the carburetor. The carburetor's right here. It's a Makuni carburetor. It's one of the cheap made ones. So I'm probably going to swap it out for another carburetor. Like I said in a previous video, I do want to change out the exhaust on it. It's pretty bad. Other than that, the frame's in good shape. Might change out the axles too. Don't know yet. Just having a problem getting it started. That's all. When staying running. And if I were to give it throttle when I had it started, it would just cut out, and it even cuts out under idle. So I don't know if it's a carburetor, or maybe I need to take this cap off and adjust the valve. There's a valve down here, so it's got two valve caps. But yeah, other than that, just want to give you guys an update on this four-wheeler. I have more videos to come, so stay right here on the channel for more update video on this four-wheeler. Thank you.